Can you use one ConvertKit account for multiple websites or domains? Can you manage multiple brands and businesses inside of one ConvertKit account? In this 3-minute ConvertKit tip, I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you should and 3 reasons why you shouldn't. I'm Jason Resnick of NurtureKit, NurtureKit.co, and the short answer to this is yes, you can have one account for multiple businesses, brands, and or websites. Number 1, you can add multiple from email addresses. You can go into your account and add in multiple email addresses and confirm those email addresses to send your emails from inside of ConvertKit. Number 2, you can create many different templates as you need to match the different brands. On top of that, you can use a naming convention to partition your account, partition the visual automations, your forms, your landing pages, your tags, to effectively have 2 brands inside of one ConvertKit account. Number 3 is costs. I get it. As a business owner myself, I try to keep my costs down. However, with ConvertKit's free plan and this video that I'll link up above, you actually can have multiple ConvertKit accounts and keep your costs down while making money, which leads me into the 3 reasons why you may not want to have multiple brands inside of one ConvertKit account. The first being that your ability to manage your deliverability and your domain reputation becomes really difficult. See, every email that you send out is essentially graded on the internet. Think of it like your credit score, right? If you are delinquent on one card, your ability to get credit and use credit goes down because that one delinquency is on your name. It's tied to your name. Same thing with email. If you send an email out from one brand and spam blockers grab it and they mark you as a spammer, well, that reputation is tied to the IP address, which is tied to your account. So it's going to affect the other brands. Number 2, it gets hard to manage the segments. Yes, you can use a naming convention and you have tags and custom fields to do all of this. However, if somebody does unsubscribe from you, that's an account-wide event. So they're going to unsubscribe from all of your brands all at once if they are on those other segments. And third is the opt-in consent. With all of the laws around spamming, the CAN Spam Act, GDPR, CASL, and the individual states here in the US having their own legislation, you want to be mindful that a subscriber is opting into your website with the assumption that that's the only thing they are opting into. And if you accidentally send emails to those people from one of your other brands, you may find yourself in some trouble. Now, there are ways that you can use a subscriber center, which I'll link up above, a great solution for that, to help allow your subscribers to choose what type of content they want to receive from you. But ultimately, when somebody does unsubscribe, they're unsubscribing from your account, not necessarily the individual brands. ConvertKit's thought on this is if you have a distinct audience, you want to have a distinct account on that. And for complete transparency here, I have an account that deals with 2 brands. So ultimately, you have to make the decision yourself. You have to weigh these pros and cons that I described in this video. It's on you to figure out where your email marketing and strategy plays in your business. If this was helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell icon so that you get notified the next time a 3-minute ConvertKit tip drops. And when you treat your email lists like humans, amazing transformations happen.